everyone, welcome back. Today, as part of my analysis, stock market analysis, I'm gonna cover a stock named NIO. So this is a discussion about the NIO stock. So I'm gonna have, or rather, I'm gonna do two discussion. First is about the trend in this particular stock, NIO stock, and secondly, I'm going to do market prediction, price prediction in particular. So what is the price we are anticipating next? So this is Shah&Co. Click your like, share and subscribe. We're going to start very soon. Okay, so let's begin our analysis. So if you look at this this particular stock NIO, it has been doing quite wonderful. It was climbing up it somewhat in a parabolic manner. So we can try to draw trend lines. So immediate trend line that we have here is covering this part. So we can see here the trend, the uptrend is actually broken. So at this particular junction, the trend is already broken. So that's why usually when trend lines are broken, the fall is going to be quite steep. So we're experiencing that here. So the fall is quite steep. Okay, so that's the first observation we need to do. Second observation we can do with regards to trend line. So there's another trend line that you can draw here. So which is covering these particular points. Okay, so you can see these particular points. Okay, so you see a lot of points touching here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, few points are touching here. So in a way, it's quite strong trend line. So, and we can see here clearly this particular price move of NIO stock is also kind of going below that particular trend line. So there's a fall, and we can anticipate. We can also anticipate some sort of fall going to happen somewhere around here. So that brings us to next discussion, which is what price level are we looking at? So currently it's like $36. Okay, it's hovering around $36. So it's kind of moving up at this point, and is it going to sustain there, or is it going to drop further? Well, the answer is going to be it's going to drop most likely, I think, and we are seeing that the price is already we are seeing a downtrend. So it's already having a downtrend here. So these are the top. So it's making new low here, and then creating some high here. It's creating a lower kind of high around here, and then the low is getting even lower somewhere around here. So it's very clear it's in a downtrend. So what is the exact price target we are looking at for this fall? So let me clear up a bit. Okay, so it's clear. So I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to do a bit more detailed analysis now. So I'm going to focus on this downfall. So if you look at this downfall, specifically I can draw that this is the high we have, and this is the low that we have. Okay, and then it went up, right? Okay, all the way up there, right? And then it's still in the next stage is moving downward still. It's still on a downtrend for the next round. Okay, so now let us try to measure how long did it take for the first round. So during the first round, downtrend was it took like 53 days. And the period is actually 37. So the 37 bars indicates the period. Okay, and then let me zoom in a bit more. Okay, and then we can see that the next. Okay, so give me a minute. So we can see the next uptrend here, or not uptrend, retracement, I would say. Okay, this retracement is actually 7 days only, very short. It's a very quick move to up. It's 5 period. It's a 5 period. So what can we kind of say from this analysis? So this is 5 days, and the previous one was around 37. Am I right? So it was around 37. Yes, it is around 37 days. So for the price to go down, it took like 37 period. That's a more proper word instead of days, because if you try to count here, there'll be around 38 days. So the period in between times actually 37 period of 37. So period of 37 to go down, price to come down, and period of 5 to price to go up. So that means there's quite a strong interest to buy as well. That's why it shoot up in 5 period. So according to trend-based Fibonacci, right? So let me take trend-based Fibonacci here. So this is trend-based Fibonacci. So this trend-based Fibonacci is going to do a bit of prediction. So I'm going to click on the high all the way to the low here. Okay, and then I'm going to also click at the retracement. I'm going to put it at the same level. Okay, now I'm ready to know what is the target price. Okay, because the fall was it took long time to fall, but a short time to climb up. So that will mean that our retracement level will be at 0.618. Okay, so there is a bit of theory here which you need to know, which I am not telling here. So okay, let me just quickly recap. If the fall here and the climb up took the same period of time, then we'll go at level 1. Okay, but in this case what we are seeing is the fall is actually quite slow. I mean, it took longer days to actually fall down, but the interest to buy was quite quick, so there's a buying interest. So then we will stop at we will target it at 0.618. We'll target at 0.618. But say for example, if the fall was quite quick, okay, but then the climb was very slow, that means there is very reluctant kind of buying sentiment, I would say, then you will have to target at the price level. It's not shown here, it's 1.618. That's a Fibonacci level, it's way deeper down there. So luckily, according to this sentiment analysis, the price level we are targeting, okay, let me take okay, we are targeting it's gonna fall somewhere around this price, around this level. Okay, maybe I should draw more precisely. Okay, it's gonna fall somewhere around this area. Okay, so and another supporting point for this 618 is, you see there is support levels here. Okay, we see there is a support level here. Okay, this support level is actually giving additional support to our target. So most likely the fall not only supported by the Fibonacci level, but it's also supported by the market structure here, which is the support level here. So we are anticipating the fall. It's somewhat gonna come all the way up to this line. Whether it will fall further down, it could happen. It may also go up. That also could happen. But immediate target, we are saying that it will fall all the way to this price level 25. Okay, there's another $11 for it to fall. That's the target we are putting based on the sentiment alone. Okay, so I hope this analysis have given some sort of hint to you on your trading plan and all that. So I hope you have enjoyed this particular analysis and you have learned something new. And we'll see you again. But before that, please like, share and subscribe. And you may want to give comments about my analysis. What do you think about this analysis? If you agree or disagree, I'm open on that. We'll see you in the next analysis. Thank you. Bye-bye.